What's up, foodies? Frappe is a Greek iced coffee made from instant coffee with a bit of sugar whipped into a thick foam, then topped with ice and milk. It was a drink I had every single day when I was in Greece. Every morning when I got up, it's the drink that started the day. Legend has it that this coffee originated from Thessaloniki in Greece by an instant coffee salesman, and it's been a Greek classic ever since. Just note, this is one of the recipes from my cookbook, Totally Greek, the Foodie Odyssey. I know it sounds amazing. It's a compilation of all the recipes over my career of making Greek food and my travels through Greece. I put a lot of work into this book, a lot of passion. Hope you guys love it. It'll be coming out in a few months. If you want to keep up to date on its release, you can sign up in the email list below. So here's how to make what I think is the best coffee in the world. So let's get into it. Start by choosing your favorite instant coffee. I personally like using Nescafe. It's the one they use in Greece. It's the OG to making this drink, but any instant coffee will work. Doesn't matter what you have. As long as it's instant coffee, this will work. Some say that the Nescafe from Greece makes a better frappe. I haven't really noticed a difference, but you're gonna need instant coffee either way. Add 2 teaspoons of instant coffee to a tall glass, then follow that up with 2 teaspoons of white sugar. You can use a sugar substitute here if you want, like stevia, sucralose, any of that will work if you want to make it a bit lower in calories. But for the sake of 2 teaspoons, it's about 45 calories. I'm going with the straight up sugar. Then you're going to add in just enough water to cover it. If you add too much water, it's not going to foam up correctly. If you don't add enough, it's not going to foam up at all. Now using a hand frother, whip it up until it makes a thick foam like you see here. Now if you don't have a frother, that's fine. Just add the ingredients to a mason jar and then add a bit of ice, put the top on and shake it until it gets nice and frothy. But a hand frother will give you the best and easiest results. Once it's nice and thick and frothy, we're going to fill the glass up with ice. Now pour in enough milk to fill the glass to the top and give it a little stir with a straw. You can go ahead and use water here instead of milk. I personally like using milk as I find it gives a nice creamier texture. And there you have it, the Greek frappe. One of my favorite drinks. Have this all the time in Greece. I have it all the time here. Now, little tip, you want to make this a bit healthier, you use like a higher protein milk that has 15 to 20 grams of protein per cup. That's going to give you a much healthier drink, especially if you use a sugar substitute. Make sure you give this drink a try. It is one of my favorites. And if you like this video, give a thumbs up, a subscribe down below, and until next time, Foodie out.